So hello and welcome back to another episode of Vlogs with Sohail, and I'm with Ashutosh and we've given our bikes at AutOz ViLLe, and I'm not just going to tell you कि मैं आज क्या करने वाला, I just want to show it to you. So let's go inside and check out what's going on my bike. My Royal Enfield Classic 350 is 4 years old now. Its paint has faded in the past years, so I wanted to restore the shine again. So let's go and check out. Step 1. Diesel wash. It acts as an anti-corrosion agent on specially Royal Enfield bikes. With the help of degreaser, we are removing hard water stains on various parts of the bike. This is the condition of the vehicle before any. And also this is the condition of the engine. You can see the shine has totally gone due to the hard water stain. Let's start with masking the main parts that we are not going to coat. Before ceramic coating, we first do compounding. To restore the shine of the chrome part of the engine, we use metal polish. After this, we again wash the vehicle so that there is no compound dust remaining on the vehicle. You can see partial shine has already come on the vehicle. So this is the last step before the ceramic coating. It took almost 3 days to finish the work on the bike. It takes a lot of manpower to do the detailing work on bikes specially. Even I tried a few detailing work because I love my bike the most. This is the shine just before the ceramic coating, but wait, picture abhi baki hai. This is Maxprotect, the ceramic coat used on my bike, which gives you 3 years of warranty after the ceramic coating. And now, the final showdown. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Vlogs with Sohail, and I hope that you're following me on Instagram, on Facebook. If you're not, the link is in the description below. And if you want to know more about AutOz ViLLe, you can go and check the description because I've written a lot of things about the products, about what is ceramic all about. So अगर आपने अभी तक देखा नहीं तो जाके देखो, and hit a like for the new kind of editing that I've done, and I've tried a lot of things in this. I've experimented a lot of things in this, and I've used color grades, I've used presets and all sort of things. So I hope that you appreciate my work, and I get the likes from you. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Vlogs with Sohail, and I hope that you will be coming on my channel for the next video also. So tab tak ke liye, bye bye, see you, tata.